So today I'm going to unwrap this. This is two at the Panasonic 2450 coin battery. So previously I purchased off-brand or the unknown brand battery. So unfortunately it did not work with my MyQ smart garage opener. So that's why I purchased this two. Although it's like $3 something for two, quite expensive but still cheaper than the store. So I'm going to open MyQ and show you guys the message. I charged the last time, but unfortunately maybe I didn't charge too long, or those batteries cannot be charged, so it still show a low cell, still show a low battery. So anyway, hopefully this one's gonna work. Go ahead and open this up. And then the cell is made in Indonesia. So this one expire May 2031. Wow. The seller put down 2030, so I guess it has one more year of expiration date, which is good. Then we're going to test this out. Hopefully this is going to work for the MyQ smart garage opener. Let's go ahead and take out one of it. So as you can see, this one it looks like an original one, because the indentation or the printing on the Panasonic is very clear and then legible. You might want to watch out for some fake one out there, maybe like an Energizer or Duracell. Sometimes they copy Panasonic as well, or other brand like Sony. So yeah, let's go ahead and go to the garage and then pop the smart garage opener or the controller for the door. So here's my controller. Just gonna pop this open. Well, the manufacturer says you're supposed to use a Q-tip, but I'm just going to use my finger to push it out. And I'm going to pop this Panasonic in there. And when you press this button, the red LED is supposed to display, and then your hub is supposed to make a beep. Alright, so you want to do that 5 or 6 times. Let's go ahead and pop the cover back. Top first, and then just press this down until you hear it click. Now I'm going to open my app. Sometimes you need to open the door like 5 or 6 times in order for the battery to reset. Okay. So I'm going to open MyQ again. Yeah, unfortunately it still shows low cell or low battery, but that's a brand new battery, so you might have to open like couple times. Yeah. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Like always, peace.